Hello and welcome. Today, we're showcasing the BEJONI Portable Wheelchair Ramp, a 6-foot folding ramp designed for step heights from 7.2 to 18 inches. It features a 30-inch wide surface and supports up to 600 pounds, fitting most wheelchairs, scooters, and carts. The anti-slip emery surface and pads on the headboard ensure maximum traction and prevent shifting for safe use. Its lightweight, 4-fold design with a built-in handle makes it easy to carry and store anywhere. Crafted from durable aluminum with a stainless steel hinge, it offers long-lasting stability and safety pins for secure installation. Reflective safety stickers enhance visibility in low light, making every trip smooth and accident-free. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.